In this example, we're going to show you how you can use the Nspire calculator as a tool to determine what your answer might be. This problem comes from the 2018 STAR release test. It says, what is the domain and range? And it gives you an equation in function notation. So let's go to our calculator. Since it's given us an equation, why don't we graph it? Come over here, new doc. We do need to go to, and you can see it's already in function notation. It's a negative 37. Make sure you pull the negative sign and not the minus sign. So as we graph it, we don't see anything on this graph. Well, maybe, so therefore we need to expand our view and zoom out. So I'm just going to come to the center and I'm going to continue to zoom out. Now I see my graph of my line. It's down here. Now to better identify this, I'm going to come to menu. Let me also hit the escape key so I'm no longer zooming. I want to go to menu. I want to view this with grid lines. So I go to grid. I want a line grid. Now it looks like maybe my graph paper. Well, I can see that this line is down here, but I don't want to know what are my units on that line. So I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to use my trace feature. I'm going to say trace graph. And if you notice, my point is 0, negative 37. So I know my y value, and since this is a horizontal line, all my y values are negative 37. My x values, which is my domain, I don't see any endpoints, so this line must go on and on the left side. And on the right side, we don't see any endpoints as well, so it goes on and on. Let's go back to our question. If you look at all the answer options here, you will notice that there's only one that says your range is negative 37. All the other range, something different. And you can see your domain says all real numbers. So it includes, and that's what we had, a horizontal line that continued on.